How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about SRFM again. This is the second video I have made about this ticker. The first video was yesterday. I told you guys this ticker is going to go insane. It's going to be a great multi-day runner. Could go 100%, 200%. And, I was right. Today, we ran all the way to 560, 557. It topped out there. And then from there, it started bleeding. And then it released news of a public offering. That's where it fully bled all the way down to 233. And that is something we very, very clearly predicted in the last video. I told you guys this company is going to dilute. If you take a look at their dilution history, they are known for diluting shares. They need cash. I went through all of this in my last video. It was very predictable. I told you guys, I believe I said the $6 mark, the $7 mark. I'm not sure exactly what I said, but I told you dilution is very, very possible. It's exactly what happened today. But let's look at the bright side of things. As I told you guys in the last video, I think this company has fantastic future coming up. I think that there are so many catalysts that are going to be very, very positive coming up for this company's future. That is why PLTR, as I mentioned in the last video, is a major shareholder of SRFM. Look at PLTR. This is a leading ticker in the aerospace sector. SRFM, they majorly invest in SRFM. They are a pretty big shareholder. I think they are the #1 shareholder, as we talked about last video. So yeah, they diluted. We saw that coming. I think this is a wonderful opportunity for dip buys. If you guys want to look into the more due diligence side, the research, the financials of this company, I went through all of that last video. So go take a look at that video if you're interested in swing trading this. I think this offering is a very, very good opportunity for people to start entering SRFM, for people to start building up a long-term position in this stock. I think this stock has so much potential. As I said in the other video as well, I think aerospace is going to be a leading sector of the stock market. I think this is the best time to start investing in aerospace. And I think low twos is where I'm going to start investing in SRFM. I want to do more due diligence. I've only briefly covered it in the last video. That's the first day I've ever looked into this stock due to the volume that it was giving. But I'm going to look into this company more. I'm going to do some more due diligence on it. And I do think that I'm going to eventually build a long-term position in this stock. Now, I did go through their 10K today. I did some more, just a tiny bit more research. And just to give you guys some background for those of you guys who didn't watch the last video, just take a look at this. We believe Surf Air Mobility is uniquely positioned to lead the transformation of the regional air mobility industry. The company has an exclusive sales and marketing relationship with the aircraft manufacturer Textron Aviation, and we have MOU agreements with 7 operators globally with approximately 100 aircraft under management to potentially upgrade to our proprietary powertrains once certified. This company has so much good PR. They have so much good potential. PLTR, which is a dominating stock, is a leading investor in this stock. I'm looking, for institutions to start accumulating this ticker once again, low twos, high ones. But I think this is an amazing long-term trade here. I think this is going to be a $10, $15, $20 stock in the next couple of years. So don't think this offering is the worst thing. If you're swinging this ticker, I would personally hold. I think this stock is going to come back up. I personally think there's also a good chance that this continues to be a multi-day runner tomorrow, after tomorrow. I think if this climbs all the way back above 3, I think volume could easily strike. There's a low float here. It's many catalysts coming up, many PR coming up as well. They have a very stacked future ahead of them with very strong institutional investors. Hey, do not sleep on this stock. Just because today happened does not mean that this stock is dead. The stock is done. You're not going to be seeing it. That could very well not be true. So go watch my other video if you haven't. I dug deep through the due diligence. We went through the financials, their catalysts. This video was just a brief overview on how I think of it as of now after this offering today. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.